Alex with windowcleaner.com. Something that window cleaners always run across, whether it's on a new construction residential or a new construction storefront or commercial window, is silicone. Silicone can be pretty difficult to get off the glass. It does really stick on there. We're gonna scrape this off. Then I'm gonna show you something you can use to get all of that silicone residue completely off the glass and make it look absolutely perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scrape what I can off here. Got the majority of like the big bulky stuff, but there is residue galore on here that's just not gonna come off by simply scraping or wiping off. So something we found that works really, really well is the Sörbo stain remover powder. It is just a powder we're gonna put on here dry. And what it's gonna do is attack the silicone, dry it out, and lift it right off the glass. So what I recommend is something abrasive like a white scrub pad or a walnut pad. And we're gonna put this directly on top onto the pad here, a nice healthy amount. And then we're gonna just buff it right into that silicone. And you can see where it's kind of sticking to the glass, where the majority of that is. And you're just gonna keep buffing and polishing until it's gone. The glass feels incredibly smooth. There is absolutely no residue left. You're just gonna go ahead and clean it like normal, and you're gonna have a perfect spot with absolutely no silicone and no residue left behind. So whether you're doing commercial or residential cleanups, having the Sörbo stain remover powder on hand is absolutely awesome, and I'll even say it's necessary. Check it out at windowcleaner.com.